attracted to the one magnificent and dominant alpha male at the center of the territory. The male hierarchy is established in sometimes violent battles before the winter. Now that boisterous energy is channeled to impress the girls. The head male is highly sought after. The hens line up for his attention. They all want the same thing, the best possible genes for their offspring.
Wow, what a mouth on that bird. What a mouth. I don't know. Yeah.